I came for orientation. There were little flyers in the CAF that said like there's going to be a Rome connection session if you wanted to come and join. And we heard Doug speak, who's in charge of the whole study abroad operation. And he really made it seem like it was going to be this amazing trip. And he also made it so that we understood that it was also going to be affordable. Accessibility to study abroad is such a big thing. I had never considered study abroad beforehand.
And I just remember being so excited about it that we got to go to another country, immerse yourself in the culture.
Being accepted was such an amazing feeling because it just came out of nowhere. I was at home, my parents were both at home with me, and I get this email and it says, "Congratulations, you're accepted."
And then I received the second email right after that from the study abroad office telling me that I had won their scholarship. It was definitely a very good day for me.
I really like that this program, in being only 2 weeks long, it really gives you a really good look into study abroad while also being affordable. It's something you can do your freshman year, and you take a class the semester before. You're really prepared to go there and really translate your passion. So whether you like history, it's gonna be visiting those museums. If you're a foodie, I mean, everybody knows the food there is incredible. So I feel like that's a really big thing to learn a little bit about yourself.
The first and foremost thing that I was looking forward to sort of indulging in while I was in Rome was just my faith. I was going to a country which essentially the foundation of it is Catholicism. I just looked for ways that I can deepen my spiritual walk there.
I got on that plane even though it was really scary. And when we got there, you know, just seeing Rome, I feel like made it all worth it. It was a really good reminder for me that I can do scary things. I can do hard things.
I believe that you should study abroad because it is a transformational experience that you are never going to forget.
Confidence was the biggest thing that I gained from this experience. Just understanding that like the world that I grew up in, the little city that I grew up in, isn't the entire world. Knowing that there are other perspectives.
You learn things that are outside of your culture that you take home with you and apply it to your work environment, your home environment, and you know how to connect with people of different races, of different cultures. I'd like to thank all the donors and the people and the faculty that have put a lot of effort in supporting our study abroad department. This is transformational to a lot of our students.
I'm so grateful for all that they've been doing for Seton Hall and for making this a possibility, not just for me, but for other students too, who before getting into college maybe had never even thought about studying abroad at all, and who have helped really make this a better experience for everybody and who have helped broaden the worldview of so many of our students here. To the donors that made this whole experience possible, I'm just so incredibly thankful.